Hello everyone, I am Erin. I have written a Python program which will help us in our day-to-day life. It is a voice assistant. First I will show the result.
Good evening, sir. It is 7:21 p.m. How may I help you, sir?
Hello Jarvis,
Hello, sir.
how are you?
I am fine, sir.
Calculate for me. Calculate for me. 5 into 9.
45.
Calculate for me. Calculate for me. 95 into 45.
4,275.
You are fantastic Jarvis.
Thank you, sir.
So can you do a Google search?
What do you want to search on Google?
How to download GTA 5 for free?
This is what I found on Win. A team of approximately 1,000 people developed Grand Theft Auto V over several years. Rockstar Games released the action-adventure game in September 2013 for PlayStation 3 and Xbox 360, in November 2014 for PlayStation 4 and Xbox One, and in April 2015 for Microsoft Windows. PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series XS versions are scheduled for March 2022.
Thank you.
It's my pleasure to help you, sir.
I am to play a game.
Which game do you want to play? Hangman or Tic-Tac-Toe?
So we can play two games here. One is Hangman and one is Tic-Tac-Toe. So I will play Hangman. My name is Aaron. So I here have to choose a word here. I will try E. Yes, E is game. E say there. G is not there. K. I think F. No. B. Z. X. I don't know. K. L. D. So I'm in those now, and the word was time. So check my network speed. Check my network speed. I think this network issue. So I have to run again.
Good evening, sir. It is 7:25 p.m. How may I help you, sir?
Check my network speed. It takes to take it takes time to check the network speed because it take average. It it will take 10 seconds and more.
So we have 1075958.2006475 bit per second downloading speed and 1123472.781201003 bit per second uploading speed.
Thank you, Jarvis.
It's my pleasure to help you, sir.
I'm bored.
So if you are bored, then I can play music for you. So do you want to play music?
Yes. Yes.
Which music you want to play?
Believer. So just play Believer on YouTube. Good evening, Jarvis.
Opening YouTube.
Good evening, Jarvis.
Good evening, sir. It is 7:27 p.m.
Take a screenshot.
Taking screenshot. Screenshot taken.
Tell my classes of today.
So today is Thursday.
Today I have two classes, school and IUCAM. No. Who is Aaron? Who is Aaron? Who is Aaron? Who is Aaron? Who is your boss?
My boss is Arvind Bansal.
Show me location.
Enter the name of place.
Chembur, Mumbai. So see, I have got the city name, state name, country, and latitude and longitude. Show me location. Show me location. I think it is done, so I have to do anything new. It can do many things. It can open any app. Hope you like my video. Please like, subscribe and comment. Bye.